Mars bars?
Dad does that, it's so annoying.
Ooh, wait, there's two Mars bars and fruit pastels.
Pastel.
Oh my god.
You need energy food.
He needs food in general. Matt.
Well, I figure he's still got at least a week's worth of soups left, so
More than that, I think.
you'll never guess that one.
Walnut whips.
No. If they are, they're squash. You just squash them.
Woohoo.
Oh, shots.
No, giant buttons.
giant buttons.
Chocolate.
Chocolate all the time, sweet.
Because
don't
from,
get ours,
from June, he'll be eating...
Cadbury cream eggs. Nobody gets chocolate in America. I know the shape of the box.
What is it?
I can feel the weight. It's definitely Cadbury cream eggs. Yep.
Whatever it is.
Yep, it's Cadbury cream eggs.
It's a
My
nut.
favorite.
You still have a box, but you haven't even started yet, have you?
I finished it. Alright, no, it's
That was more of a practical present than an edible one.
Assuming that you wouldn't end that.
Thank you.
Assuming that you didn't get one.
Yeah,
for
this would be
Christmas,
one huge Easter egg.
yeah. Great big slab of chocolate.
It's
Just a box of
Easter egg
chocolate.
the size of Harry's head.
Yeah, it's nothing exciting. I
Oh,
thought you
wow.
was desk
Oh, I
lamp.
can actually use that.
You need that.
Figured you'd
Oh,
need
no,
one.
fantastic. That'd be good for you, Rob. Brilliant.
Everyone's going, oh yeah, great, I can see the internet now. I can see the computer keypad now.